All right, guys, Travis here, Rods and Mods. We're all about classic American muscle here, all about America. We love America. As you can see, we've always had a flag in our shop hanging on the wall, but it just never felt like enough. We needed more. So we're gonna put up a giant American flag hung from the ceiling right here. And I think that's what we're missing here. So follow us along, check it out. All right, guys, we're here. You can see we got a Colonial Flag. They're one of the best flag companies in America right now. Have been for a long time. So they sent us this huge American flag. We're about to open it up and check it out. There you go, guys, come on. All right, let's see what she looks like.
Just make sure you don't cut it.
I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut just the edge of the plastic, barely, very carefully. Very carefully. Ooh. Oh man, this might be too big for the shop. I don't know. I don't even know what size we ordered. We just had a giant flag. I'm a little nervous. Okay. Let's
grab the other end.
Okay, we're not gonna be able to, we don't want to hit the ground. Let's go this way. So, this way.
Here, back up a little.
We can go, keep it doubled somehow. Oh my God, well, you're gonna have to grab like that. Oh my goodness. I don't want to let this thing hit the ground, so.
That is massive.
We're not gonna be able to, maybe we can hold it high enough so it doesn't touch the ground, you think?
No.
I hold it out like this. Oh wow, that's huge. Okay, I don't even know if this is gonna fit. We're gonna try. We're gonna see if we can put it up on the ceiling. Okay, we got grommets over there. All right, we're ready. Let's get this thing back folded like this. And
just quick fold up.
So when we hang this, we got to plan it. So we hang it like grommet to grommet along like this. So
yeah, there's grommets all
we're
over
gonna
the
hang
top.
it right off that main water line right there and see how far it hangs down. Then we might have to take the back end and like loop it up.
Loop it with like a string.
Yeah,
Piece of wire.
We're not putting it away, so we don't need to go through the full fold up, but we are just gonna get this set on this table right here. Okay guys, go get our lift out and get ready. Hey, all right, so we got our lift out, it was dead, we had to go charge it. We are now ready to put up the flag. Here we go. We're gonna get up in the air and hang our flag. Out again and measure over to see what center is, and let's see if you can reach it out there, make it touch that to magnetize to it, and then we won't have to drive over there. Oh! A little floppy there, Eldon. I'm not gonna say anything else about that. So essentially we're almost 14 feet. We're 13, 11 and a half. So basically we're 14 feet. So 7 foot is center. So if you just put that back on there, let's see where 7 feet is.
So it's gonna.
Well, it's gonna be close. So. And it's gonna go up from there. So let's bring this up in the air. Let's see what Old Glory looks like.
That hangs really
That's
low.
pretty low.
We might need a different one.
Honestly, that's a little bigger than I expected.
I think we might need a smaller one.
It just looks cool. Actually, you know what?
I think it looks good.
For now, let's go with it. And if we need to change it up, we will.
It looks good.
But for now,
It's good.
it's staying right there. Old Glory's up in the air. There it is, guys. In all her glory. God bless America. Okay, guys, if you like our stuff and you like what we're doing, you want to see more cool stuff, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.